Good morning, friends. This morning, as I just came down, I felt the glory of God and I feel the presence of God, and I could see the glory of God around. My heart filled with gratitude to God for His goodness and faithfulness. I'm reminded of a Telugu song. I thought I'll just sing and make music in my heart. This is really an amazing song. Long ago in the year 1993, when I started following Christ, I learned the small chorus. I tried to get the lyrics, but I couldn't get anywhere. Finally, I got somewhere from my old files. It is neither recorded anywhere nor published. It is very old, but makes sense to us. The meaning of the song is God's presence can be found in this universe. Even you can feel it in the cool breeze and the waves of the sea. Here I'm living nearby the Pacific Ocean, just a few steps away, and I feel the presence of God in this small island serving the Lord. Let me sing this song. ఆకాశ తీరాలలో రవిచంద్ర తారకలలో కనుగొంటి నేను ప్రభుయేసు మహిమ ఈ విశాల విశ్వమునందు. కనుగొంటి నేను ప్రభుయేసు మహిమ ఈ విశాల విశ్వమునందు. అందాల హిమ బిందువులో ప్రభుయేసు